Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to see files that are quarantined in Avira. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see files that are quarantined in Avira. So this is very helpful if you're downloading a file you trust, but then your Avira puts it on quarantine, and you don't know where the quarantine area is in your Avira. So today's video, I'm going to show you where your quarantine area in your Avira is, and let's go retrieve the file, or let's just check what are the files that are quarantined in your Avira. Well, the first thing you need to do is open up your Avira. Once you're here at your Avira, click on Security. After clicking on Security, drag your mouse to the right, and in the middle, you will see Quarantine. Then click Quarantine. After clicking Quarantine, here are the files that are quarantined that your Avira see or checked or reviewed that are a threat to your PC. You see right now, here are the quarantines. So if you see one that you think it's not a threat, my tip for you is by clicking this and click over here and restore. There you go. So yeah, that's how you view your quarantines in Avira. And if you want to clear some files that your Avira thinks is a threat, just click on them. There you go, like that, and click delete. There you go, it's deleting. Yes. And there you go. I hope you guys liked the video and I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.